Welcome to Choice Champions. The best OXO Good Grips thermal mug is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who enjoys their beverages at the perfect temperature throughout the day. Whether it's a piping hot coffee on a chilly morning or a refreshingly cold drink during a summer afternoon, this mug promises to keep your drink just the way you like it for hours on end, making it a reliable companion for your daily commute, busy workday, or relaxing moments at home. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Bottle Cleaning Set. Introducing the OXO Good Grips Water Bottle Cleaning Set. It's designed to make cleaning your bottles easier than ever before. The long bottle brush is perfect for reaching deep inside narrow-necked bottles. Its design ensures no spot is missed. With short, firm bristles for the bottom and soft side bristles for the walls, it cleans thoroughly without scratching. Your bottles will look as good as new. Don't forget the straws. The long straw brush is great for getting inside sports bottle straws, ensuring a hygienic drink every time. For those hard-to-reach places like cap crevices and screw threads, the detail cleaner is your solution. It gets into every nook and cranny. This set provides a comprehensive cleaning solution for all your bottles and their accessories. Keep everything sparkling clean with OXO Good Grips. What we like. For those hard-to-reach places, this cleaning set is your best bet. Its long brushes and specialized detail cleaner tackle narrow necks and tight crevices with ease. If you're tired of struggling to clean your water bottles and sports bottles, this is the solution for you. What people say. The long, flexible brush can easily reach every nook and cranny of even the most awkwardly shaped water bottles, ensuring a thorough clean every time. And the smaller brush is perfect for cleaning the narrow mouth of your bottle, as well as the cap and straw. The bristles are tough enough to tackle even the most stubborn stains and grime, yet gentle enough that they won't scratch or damage your bottle. And the Good Grips handle on each brush provides a comfortable and secure grip, even when your hands are wet. The bottle brush and straw cleaner are great, but the third random extra tool is what makes this 5. I clean the blades, water bottle lids, just so many things that you would otherwise be shoving the corner of a sponge into. Number 4. WNP Porter Travel Coffee Mug. Introducing the WNP Porter Travel Coffee Mug, your perfect companion for daily commutes. It's designed for convenience and style, making your on-the-go beverage experience better. Crafted with a durable ceramic interior, a protective silicone sleeve, and a BPA-free lid, this mug offers a superior drinking experience. Say goodbye to metallic aftertastes and disposable cups. The grippable silicone sleeve feels soft in your hands and protects surfaces from scratches. It also provides a comfortable, warm touch even with hot beverages inside. Its splash-resistant lid is designed for gentle transit, helping to prevent spills during your travels. Plus, it fits conveniently in most car cup holders. Enjoy effortless upkeep with this mug. It's microwave-safe for quick reheating and dishwasher-safe for a hassle-free clean. This reusable cup is a stylish and practical choice for your daily coffee or tea. It's designed for those who appreciate both form and function. What we like. Experience your daily brew with a touch of everyday luxury. This mug offers a clean, comfortable sip without any metallic aftertaste, thanks to its ceramic interior. If you prefer a stylish, reusable option for your coffee or tea on the go and don't need extreme insulation, this is a great choice. What people say. It's a simple ceramic mug with a silicone sleeve instead of a handle. This checks all my boxes, so I am happy with it. The silicone sleeve of this mug has a very nice texture in the hand, is easy to remove, and quite durable. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 5-Piece Pop Container Set. Introducing the OXO Good Grips 5-Piece Pop Container Set. Keep your dry foods fresh and your pantry organized with these airtight and stackable containers. Now even easier to clean, this set is top-rack dishwasher safe. Maintaining freshness and organization in your kitchen has never been simpler. Achieve an airtight seal with just one push of the button. This button also conveniently serves as a handle for easy lid removal. From cereal and flour to coffee and snacks, the convenient fill line makes storing all your favorite pantry staples a breeze. These space-efficient containers are designed to maximize your pantry space. Keep everything neat, tidy, and easily accessible. Crafted from BPA-free materials, these containers are safe for your food and built for everyday use. Enjoy long-lasting freshness and organization. What we like. Keep your pantry organized and your dry foods fresh with this smart storage solution. The airtight seal and stackable design maximize space and preserve contents. If you're looking for an easy way to declutter your kitchen and keep staples like cereal, flour, and nuts fresh, this set is ideal. What people say. Lid operates easily. I like how the lid does not stick out, so it efficiently uses space on my shelves. Thick clear plastic is perfect for viewing what's inside. Number 2. OXO Brew 8-Cup Coffee Maker. Experience the gold standard in coffee brewing, certified by the Specialty Coffee Association. Enjoy delicious coffee, brewed just the way you like it, by the cup or the carafe. Our innovative shower head design ensures water is evenly distributed over the coffee grounds. This results in a richer, more flavorful brew with every use. Whether you prefer a single cup or a full carafe, this machine has you covered. It's designed to fit perfectly under your cabinets, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen. The removable well cover offers flexibility for your brewing needs. It can elevate shorter mugs or make ample space for taller travel mugs. Keep your coffee hot for longer with the thermal stainless steel carafe. Enjoy your freshly brewed coffee at the perfect temperature, sip after sip. What we like. Achieve gold standard coffee right at home. Its specialized shower head ensures even saturation of grounds for a superior brew, whether you're making a single cup or a full carafe. If you're a coffee aficionado who values quality and convenience, this machine is designed for you. What people say. The single cup filling feature lets me fill my coffee cup directly, which is great for use with an insulated coffee mug so the temperature is well maintained. A sealed stainless carafe that keeps coffee warm for an extended period of time. The closed lid brewing design on the OXO is what tipped the scale. Coffee stays hot for a solid 4+ hours. The interface is uncluttered and intuitive, with none of the stuff I don't want. It has only 4 buttons: power, 2 to 4 cups, 5 to 8 cups, clean. No unnecessary clock or timer functions. Number 1. Fellow Carter Coffee Mug 16-ounce Travel Tumbler. Experience your coffee and tea like never before. This tumbler keeps your drinks hot for up to 12 hours and cold for up to 24 hours, perfect for any journey. Take it anywhere with confidence. Its leak-proof seal and twist-locking lid ensure your bag stays dry, no matter the adventure. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply place it in the dishwasher for a quick and easy clean, thanks to its ceramic interior. Make a difference with every sip. This durable, BPA-free tumbler becomes carbon neutral after about 27 uses, reducing waste from disposable cups. Enjoy your favorite brew to the fullest. Its slim design and wide mouth enhance the aroma and taste of your drink. What we like. Amplify your coffee or tea experience, no matter where your day takes you. This tumbler keeps drinks hot for hours or cold all day, featuring a comfortable ceramic interior and a guaranteed leak-proof seal. If you need a reliable, stylish companion for long commutes or outdoor adventures, this is the mug for you. What people say. It keeps my coffee wonderfully warm, so every sip is a comforting delight that warms me up from the inside out. It's sleek and fits perfectly in my hand, and the lid is secure and leak-free. The ceramic coating really makes this a no-brainer, but I can say as someone who has used this cup almost every day since I got it, this will be the best container you will ever buy for coffee. It holds heat for a ridiculously long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.